everyone, my name is Celine. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple game on Scratch. Like always, we have to log into our account first on Scratch. Next, we are going to add some costumes here, like Dino 1 and Dino 2 as Sprite 1, and then a rock, game over, and button play. For the backdrop, I add Dino for game over, the road, and Dino game. For the code is a little bit long, but I can assure you that it was worth it. For when green flag is clicked, go to x minus 201 and y minus 85. Forever, switch costume to Dino 1. Wait 0.2 seconds. Switch costume to Dino 2. Wait another 0.2 seconds. When green flag is clicked, forever, if key space press or mouse down or key up arrow press, then repeat 10. Change Y by 10. Wait 0.0001 seconds. Repeat 10. Change Y by minus 10. Wait 0.0001. And then, when green flag is clicked, forever, if touching Sprite 1 or between the rock, then wait 0.00001 seconds. Then broadcast game over. If you don't know how to use a broadcast, then you can watch my latest videos. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, show. Forever, wait 1 seconds, change score by 1. I can find this variable from make a variable here. And then when green flag is clicked, I set score to 0. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, show. When backdrop switches to Dino 5, hide. When backdrop switches to Dino 6, hide. Wait 10 seconds, show. When space key press, start sound coin. When up arrow key press, start sound coin. Next we are going to the rock. When green flag is clicked, forever, go to x 235 and y minus 115. Glide 2 seconds to x minus 242, y minus 114. When backdrop switches to Dino 6, hide. Wait 10 seconds, then show. When backdrop switches to Dino 5, hide. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, show. When backdrop switches to Dino 5, hide. For the game over, I made it in here. Type a text and then game over. The code is when green flag is clicked, hide. Go to S36 and Y28. When I receive game over, show. When I receive game over, stop all. For the button, I customize it with the button and then I press text and type play here. And then, when this sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Broadcast play. When backdrop switches to Dino 6, show. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, hide. When backdrop switches to Dino 5, hide. Next we are going to the blocks in the background. When green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to Dino 6. When I receive play, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. When I receive game over, switch backdrop to Dino 5. Play sound bossa nova until done. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, stop all sounds. When backdrop switches to Dino 6, start sound dance magic. Now let me show you the finishing part, that is this game at the end. Okay, let's see together. Enjoy your game and see you next time. Bye bye.